In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a banner cover photo in Pinterest. If you want to make your Pinterest profile look more polished and personalized, adding a banner cover photo is a great place to start. It helps your profile stand out and gives visitors a quick visual impression of your style, brand, or content. The good news is that the process is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to click. To begin, go to your Pinterest profile. This is the area where your profile information appears, including the header section at the top. Once you're there, look closely at the profile header area. You should see either a plus icon or a pencil, which is the edit icon. This is the option you'll use to change or add your banner cover photo. Click that plus or edit icon to open the image settings for your profile header. Pinterest will then give you the option to upload an image. If you already have the photo ready on your computer or device, you can select Upload Image and browse for the file. In some cases, you may also be able to drag and drop the photo directly into the upload area, which can make the process even faster. When choosing your image, try to use a clear, high-quality photo that fits the look you want for your profile. Since this banner appears across the top of your page, it's best to use an image that looks good in a wide format and isn't too cluttered. That way it remains visually appealing even after cropping. After the image is uploaded, Pinterest may let you adjust or crop it before saving. Take a moment here to position the photo properly. If the image includes important details near the edges, make sure they're still visible in the preview. This step is helpful because it lets you control how the banner will actually appear to other people visiting your profile. Once you're happy with the way the image looks, click Done or Save to apply the changes. After that, your new banner cover photo should appear on your Pinterest profile, and that's it. By going to your profile, clicking the plus or edit icon, uploading or dragging in your image, adjusting it if needed, and saving the changes, you can quickly update your Pinterest banner and give your profile a more complete and professional appearance.